Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to OZR Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in our beautiful city of Kocaeli in Kartepe region. What we have as a general specification for this beautiful luxury compound, we have 53,000 square meters project area. On this 53,000 square meters project area, we have 27 blocks and 563 luxury apartments, and today we choose the very special one as 1+1 because that kind of properties are so suitable for getting the good beneficially rental income. And when we consider the social facility of the compound, we have outdoor swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, rental clock security, amphitheater. So it's time to discover the details of that beautiful 1+1 property together. Property is located on our block on first floor, which is R11, number 11. So when we got inside the property, we have really spacious entrance section of the property. When we look at the concept of the property, we can say that semi-furnished because these cabinets are coming with the property. And also to have the extra WC in 1+1 property, I think nowadays is such an advantage because when we look at the architecture designed for 1+1, generally we don't have the extra WC. So when we reach this section, open style kitchen and living room section is welcoming us. I can say that for that unit it's so spacious. And also when I look the kitchen section, there are first quality materials are again we have over here. And also this property is coming with some appliances, I mean exhaust stove top, oven and dishwasher coming with this property, so that you don't need to pay extra monies for that kind of things. So when we keep continue over here, when we keep continue and when we reach the section, really nice balcony section of the property is welcoming us, and it's facing directly children playground area. And also on balcony, as you see on the video, you have your own garden too, and this section also has automatic irrigation system too. So it's time to discover the other part of this beautiful sport house. And also before going to the room, I have to mention that we have central natural gas heating system. And when we reach this section, there is common bathroom of the flat is welcoming us, and size of the bathroom is so spacious. You can put your washer and dryer easily over here. There is a shower cabinet over here, WC and tap section. I think it's time to discover the bathroom too. And when we reach this section, nice and spacious bedroom section of the property is welcoming us. And there is one more good detail is available over here. This section is separated as a dressing cabinet, and again you can access the balcony from this room too. And mashallah tabarakallah, very wide size windows was used inside the property, almost from ground to the ceiling, and that kind of details makes the interior situation more spacious, and during the all day you can host the sunlight inside your property easily. So it was the situation of this beautiful property. You can get the beneficial rental income via this property. For more information and catching this unique opportunity in our beautiful city of Kocaeli at unique region of Kartepe, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah.